Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G15 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the wallpaper. Let's tap. Let me maybe change the brightness a little bit. Okay, and let's tap on wallpaper and style. Here we have to tap on the more wallpapers option. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from on-device wallpapers which are pre-installed, or My Photos, which contain your own gallery, obviously. So let's tap on it and find the wallpaper you'd like to apply and tap on it. And as you can see, it will appear on the full screen. You can change the position of it. You can check how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen. And after setting it just like you want to, simply tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I'll choose both options. So let me tap on it and let me quickly disable the live lock screen. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.